potentially we are running out of time. Potentially this is the last of the greatest driving era. We've seen a lot of the big manufacturers releasing their last hurrah cars, the big naturally aspirated cars that, to be honest, are probably going to be worth an absolute fortune in the near future, because this is it. This is the last chance. Just need to get out and drive what you have. The driving is the good bit. The driving is the fun. The driving is the bit that we miss. You don't have to wait for the Porsche. You don't have to wait for the exotic car that you're dreaming of to go out and do it and enjoy it. Whatever car you own, this is your sign to go out and drive and enjoy it for what it is.